Are your Epson application failing because of the ep0nb01b DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. While we explore the technical guide for ep0nb01b, you can access a professional tool for managing complex library dependencies. This is the ep0nb01b, a specialized Epson Inkjet Printer driver module. It manages the unmanaged bidirectional communication for ink level monitoring and maintenance alerts. Failure results in printer status unavailable errors in the Epson print monitor. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Since ep0nb01b.dll is a protected OS component, the most reliable fix is to verify your system integrity. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to have Windows detect and restore any damaged system binaries. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with ep0nb01b. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. To resolve deep-seated driver errors, you should perform a clean install by first wiping your system with Display Driver Uninstaller and then running the latest GPU setup. This process resets the communication between your hardware and the OS while deploying a fresh copy of your DLL file to your local directory. Why are we doing this? Well, a basic driver reinstall rarely clears the persistent file conflicts that cause these errors, so a total wipe is necessary to re-establish system stability. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Please use caution. Replacing ep0nb01b.dll manually often requires administrative permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your PC open to external attacks. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. Review options for a smoother Windows environment by consulting the diagnostic kit linked below for ep0nb01b library references. If your workstation is back online and ep0nb01b is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.